Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're safe and having a fantastic day. So for today's video, we're going to create two DIY vases that can be used anywhere inside your home or maybe a great gift idea. To all of our Glam subscribers, welcome back and thanks for watching another video. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. If you would like to see how we created these beautiful vases, then just keep on watching. These are the vases that I'm going to be working on today. They were all from the Dollar Tree and also they were very inexpensive. The first thing I did, I brought my vase out to a ventilated area and I'm spray painting it black. The black paint that I used was by Rust-Oleum, purchased from Home Depot. I will also leave a complete list of all the items used down in the description box. I allow my vase to dry for approximately 2 hours and I will be using this gem and these flowers to complete my vase. I'm applying the gem to the top and the bottom of my vase. I purchased this from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to be securing it with a hot glue. Now I'm adding the white flowers to the outside of my vase. It is such a nice contrast to the black, and I'm going to be securing it with a hot glue. And here's a finished look of the first vase. I think it looks amazing with a beautiful contrast. For my second DIY, I spray painted my vase white and I used strips of painter's tape. Each piece is of different length and I applied it around the vase. Here is the paint and the painter's tape that I use, and I will leave all the information down in the description box below. I spray painted my vase again with the silver metallic paint and let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. Once I remove the tapes from my vase, I'm going to be adding the gems to complete the look. I'm only applying the gems to the silver section of my vase, and I'm going to be securing it with hot glue. And here is a finished look. I think it turned out so beautiful. Here's a finished look of both vases. I think they look absolutely beautiful and unique. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out our last video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And as always, guys, stay safe and may God bless.